Hey everyone, it's Nate from Geezer Skate, and I'm back with another how-to video. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to get rid of that annoying squeak in your trucks. You know the one I'm talking about, the kind that just Well, actually, I'm going to give you a demonstration just to show you how annoying that sound is. It's almost like in Dumb and Dumber when they make the most annoying sound in the world. That's kind of what this sounds like, and today we're going to show you how to get rid of that. That squeak was truly annoying, wasn't it? Well, let's get rid of that right now. So you need a couple of items. One, you're gonna need some paraffin wax. Paraffin wax, you want the non-scented stuff. You can make candles out of this, but you don't want the scented stuff because, well, then your board's got a scent to it. You're gonna need a cheese grater. Just get a cheap one. And then you're gonna need your trusty skate tool. I recommend the ones from Switch Supply. These things are awesome. And now, let's get to work dismantling our trucks and wax on, wax off. Once you've grated it nice and fine, you're going to fill the pivot cup of your truck. Just pack it in real tight. You can't have too much wax in there. Fill it up because when the truck gets placed in there, it's going to smash it all in and it will keep it from making any noise. And as I'm going to show you here in a minute, you're going to want to wax the pivot itself, as well as the washers, as well as the area that the bushings touch from the truck itself. You'll see here in a minute. You cannot wax too much. Just think about how easy it is to do a grind when you wax a ledge. The more wax you have, the easier it is to grind. Same thing here. The more wax you have, the less noise it's going to make. Alright, so we have a bit of a continuity error here from that the main part of this video, but I did want to do a couple of things that I neglected to do in that last part, and that was actually rubbing the wax, not just putting wax flakes, but rubbing the wax all over these metal parts here. So on the two washers that the bushings sit in, I'm just gonna, just wax it all up real good here. Just get it nice and waxy, and then also I'm gonna wax the pivot here, the ball, the truck pivot here. So it's just this metal protrusion from the truck here. I'm just going to wax the heck out of it. Alright, moment of truth. Did this extra bit of work I just did work? Let's see if it shakes here when Chewy gets on it. Sounds pretty quiet to me, but let's see about a full-grown man. Boom! No squeaking at all. So that is the magic right there. Just got to make sure you wax every stinking part of it there. You're definitely going to want to get some kind of handheld vacuum after this, because it does make a mess. Well, that concludes today's episode. I hope you learned something, maybe had a few laughs along the way. So why don't you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, which will let you know when another one of these awesome new videos drops. Until next time, keep skating, stop aging.